Hello, this is Cameron, United Credit. We have a nice trade line for you today. We have a Navy Federal Credit Union 2023. The limit's $500. This is what you call a starter trade line. Now, what's a starter trade line? It's a trade line that's not that old, but it still gives a decent score. On a blank profile, now keep in mind it's a blank profile on the CPN, the score will come in at about 700, which is not bad. It's good for renting apartments, maybe getting a low limit credit card, something of that nature. But the score definitely comes in about 700. I've been doing this now for about 10 years, and that's my experience on these starter trade lines. Um, it tends to post on all three credit bureaus. The credit union, most credit union trade lines post on all three credit bureaus, and it posts automatically without any kind of address change or upload. So it's a nice trade line, and it posts quickly. So there you have it. We have a starter trade line, $195. That's right, $195 is a loss leader. We're trying to earn your business. We have over 400 trade lines, but this one we're kind of giving away just to show you what we can do, show you that our lines do post. We also work with brokers. We give discounts for brokers as well. But now on this was already discounted, so can't get a discount on this one. This is $195 flat. But we have other ones we give a discounts on. Call for details or get on a trade line list at tradelines.biz. Tradelines.biz. We have over 400 trade lines posting on a regular basis from a year old to 30 years old. We do socials as well as regular CPNs. Call for details. We do free consulting. If you have questions about trade lines and how they can impact and boost your score, call us. It's free consultation up to 30 minutes. But again, the trade line for today is a Navy Federal Credit Union 2023. The limit's $500 and the cost is $195. We have two spots available, so call as soon as possible. Thank you. Have a great day.